Ladies and gentlemen, have you found it challenging to be a grammarian, a general evaluator, table topics evaluator, or even a project evaluator? Don't worry, there's always tricks and tips, and I shall be sharing that with you in a workshop called Evaluate to Motivate. Evaluate to Motivate. It will be on the 6th of June, 7:30 p.m. EST, which is in a country called Canada. And it will be on the same day, 7th of June, 7:30 a.m. in Singapore. Use this opportunity to learn how to be a grammarian, the general evaluator, the table topics evaluator, as well as how to shine as a project evaluator. Come and join me as I share with you how you can evaluate to motivate.